Hey guys, this is Alan LaRose from MarineMax Coco, and I'm standing here right in front of the Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. Take a look right here at the boat, starting up at the bow. This boat is equipped with a tow eye, and we do have the windlass option on this boat too as well. Stainless steel rub rail, white finish, nice clean boat. This boat does have the option patio door. Once we get up in the boat, I will open that up for you to take a look. That's what it looks like on the outside. Coming to the back of the boat, this boat is equipped with dual 225s. A lot of different motor options on this. You can even do a single on this boat, twins, multiple different horsepowers. Come on aboard. On the back of the boat, we have a nice passing area. We've got plenty of rod holders, 5 rod holders right across the back there. Still more areas to stand, and there is a ladder back there on the transom that does slide out to a nice tree dive ladder. Come on in, I'll show up in this back seat here. This right here flips open. Very nice high back. Sit down, relax, go for a nice cruise. Plenty of storage under here as well. Storage, that is the ladder for the dive door. I'll pop open for you. There is more storage and access down to the bilge below this right here. Close these, close that, just like that. Everything Boston Whaler does, it's beefy, it's bold, it's awesome. Fun patio, unlatch that, unlatch this, press and pull this pin, patio door, gas assisted, pull it down, step right on it. Now we're hanging out, sun patio, 27 Dauntless Boston Whaler. This boat we do have a shower sink right here, 2 more rod holders, very large live well. This one is equipped with Yeti cooler under here, Yeti straps. We got 4 rocket launchers up there, and we got some canvas storage up here for some life vests, safety gear as well. Coming in here to the helm, we have flip-up bolsters. Hold them down, flip them up. My wife likes to sit right here. I like to stand. You do have the tilt helm, LED indicator trim tabs. We got this right here, dash. You can add whatever electronics you want into the boat, Ring, Garmin, Sibrad, whatever your option is. We do have Fusion Bluetooth stereo, and then we have a Mercury Vessel View 4 digital throttles. 2 cup holders here. Come on through. Large center console. Head down there as well. Come up into the bow of the boat. We got lots of seating. All these cushions are removable. Bow backrest. Pop open there. Cushions come up. We have more storage right there, overboard. Then the big coffin box. Pop this open. We've got lockable rod storage down in there, tool buckets. I mean, that thing is just massive. These flip down armrests right here, and a nice seat cruising around. Again, on the Boston Whalers, the new 2020 models, they're adding this little nice fusion remote. So this is something you can pop off, you can hit play, volume up, change the song, hang out at the sandbar. It makes it a nice feature. You don't have to always go back to the helm to kind of change the volume, the songs, whatever. Cup holders in the bow, and then access to our windlass up here. We got a remote right here, and the windlass is there. So that's it, guys. This is a 27 Dauntless twin engine swim patio. My name's Alan LaRose, MarineMax Coco, 321-636-3142. Have a great day.